so I can't sleep at night. Yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, you really got me now. You got me so I can't sleep at night. You really got me. You really got me. You really got me. See, don't ever set me free.
Oh mein Gott.
Wird also da wie Spiel machen.
Mis mal so lös.
Schon mal viel geholfen, durch die Vakanz anzufangen.
Ostervakanz, Ostervakanz.
Ostervakanz, der Vakanz.
Ostervakanz. Ostervakanz wäre ganz gut.
Ja, Schadolo will es ins Franken. Ja, also schon.
Ja. Ja, auch.
Ja. Von getrisch.
Ne, Anfang nicht.
Also das ist ja nicht mehr. Nee.
Nee. Kann ich nicht angeschrieben von dem Examen.
Ja, nicht mehr.
Assistent sozial, wenn das klappt.
Gar nicht. Ich weiß, was ich mache. Ich gesehen, dass noch manchmal Premier war.
Oh nee.
Ja, studiere.
Ich wollte mal Eko studieren.
Architektur.
Ich gehe sicherlich auf Uni. Hallo.
Mit Sinn.
Ich sag,
Irgendetwas, vielleicht mal kann er. Mal gucken.
Ja, aber so das nicht mit dumm gemacht.
Ja. Ja, ich meine schon.
Nee, wirklich nicht.
ich ging so, ja, alle verschiedene Schiedbank aufkommt, wir haben nur etwas mit Musik zu machen.
Don't ever set me free. I always wanna be by your side.
Ja, merci, ja.
Ja.
Ich fand die Profis sind noch primär für mich streng wie sonst. Also, sie erwarten viel mehr von uns.
Ich bin froh, wenn ich so lasse.
Ich will mich dem Statement durchschließen.
Also, ganz froh, Herr Blau. Ich wollte merci so, dass er immer so gut macht und hat immer so gut Dokumentarfilme, weil es weiter toll.
Ich will gerne dem,
Mehr Schmieds.
ja, dem Herr Schmieds am Mole merci so, weil er so gute Prof ist.
Moin, Herr Junius, moin, Herr Schaf, moin, Herr Goethe.
Ich fand den Herr Berm ist so ein cooler Prof.
Also, sie waren alle von cool.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. It's a cool place, and they say it gets colder. You're bundled up now, wait till you get older. But the media men beg to differ, judging by the hole in the satellite picture. The ice we skate is getting pretty thin. The water's getting warm, so you might as well swim. My world's on fire, how about yours? That's the way I like it, and I'll never get bored. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on, get paid. And all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars. Somebody once asked, could I spare some change for gas? I need to get myself away from this place. I said, yep, what a concept. I could use a little fuel myself, and we could all use music in the back streets. You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow.
I've paid my dues time after time. I've done my sentence but committed no crime. And bad mistakes I've made a few. I've had my share